This is a Zoom waiting room slide. It is created in Canva and it is animated. If you'd like to learn how to make one for yourself, keep watching. The first thing you need to do is log into Canva. If you don't already have an account, it's really simple. You can log in with Google, Facebook, Apple, so forth, or create your own. It is free to a point, and then if you want additional features, you can pay for a subscription. But log in, create that account, and we'll get started. Once you're logged in, you will be on the Canva main dashboard. We're going to go straight to create a design and presentation. Once you arrive on the dashboard for presentation, you're going to see a lot of different templates. There are many free templates available. We're going to go to animated because we want one that has animation in it. So animation also has a number of templates and the animations vary throughout. These are multiple pages. I'm going to choose one so you can see. So the animation here, you can see the moving circle. You can see that this plus sign moves, and then the arrows also move. To modify this slide is quite simple. You simply select it and modify your text. So you can, my waiting room. You can change all the other text as well. If you want to change your font, you just click on the font. There's also dozens of free fonts available. And you can play with colors. So this is the background. So there's multiple background options that you can play with, or you can simply go into the color scheme and choose other colors to play with, whatever you would like. With the photo, you have a couple of options. There are the stock photos, if you prefer to use something that is more generic, or you are welcome to upload your own photos, and you just bring them in and drag it over. And that's basically it. So in order to show this to your students, I have two suggestions. One is you simply go to Present and Website. From there, you will get a URL. This URL you can bookmark onto your own desktop, or you can copy and paste it and show it later. You also can download it as an MP4. So you just go to Download and MP4 if you prefer to do that, or build it into something else. And yet another option is to download it as a PNG or JPEG, but just know that if you do download it as an image file, it will not have the movement. This is mine, and I use this for my sessions when the students are waiting to come in to the waiting room. And as I let them in, they see this slide, they hear music, and they see some information in the chat to keep things going and engaged. Hope you enjoyed it. I encourage you to be creative and have some fun.